Have you ever wished the IELTS speaking test felt less like an exam and more like a conversation you're actually excited to have? Well, you're in the right place, because today, we're not just going to talk about the IELTS speaking section, we're going to unlock it. Whether you're aiming for a band 6.5, 7, or even higher, this is your step-by-step guide to understanding how it works and how to shine when it matters most. So let's dive in. The IELTS speaking test is a one-on-one interview with a certified examiner. It lasts between 11 and 14 minutes and is made up of 3 parts. What makes this section unique is that it doesn't test just your grammar or vocabulary. It tests your ability to hold a conversation, express ideas clearly, and speak with confidence and clarity, just like you would in real life. In part 1, the examiner will start with a few simple questions about you and your life. You might be asked about where you live, what you do, whether you're a student or working, or about your hobbies, routines, or preferences. The questions are designed to be easy and familiar. This is your chance to settle into the conversation, speak naturally, and show that you can communicate about everyday topics. There are no right or wrong answers here. What matters is how you express yourself. Then comes part 2, also called the long turn. You'll be given a topic card and asked to speak about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and you can jot down notes to help you stay on track. The topics are personal, but specific things like describe a person who inspires you, or talk about a special trip you went on. When you speak, try to give details, organize your response, and keep it flowing. Think of it like storytelling. You're painting a picture with your words. After that, you'll move to part 3. This section is more like a thoughtful discussion. The examiner will ask questions related to the topic you just spoke about, but now the focus is on ideas, opinions, and deeper analysis. You might compare different points of view, explore causes and effects, or explain how certain things work in society. This is your opportunity to use more complex vocabulary and grammar, and to show that you can think critically and speak clearly under pressure. Now let's talk about how the scoring works. The examiner gives you a score from 0 to 9 in 4 categories: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. That means you're not just being judged on how many words you know, but how you connect your ideas, how varied and accurate your grammar is, and how clearly you speak. And don't worry, you don't need a British or American accent. What matters is being easy to understand. So how can you prepare? Well, here's the good news. The best way to get better at speaking English is by speaking English. Talk to friends, join study groups, or even speak out loud to yourself. Practice answering real IELTS questions. Record your answers and listen back. You'll start noticing what you're doing well and what you can improve. Try not to memorize long scripts, the examiner can tell. Instead, focus on being flexible, confident, and clear. It's also helpful to work on your timing. Get used to organizing your thoughts quickly in part 2, and practice giving longer answers in part 3 without going off topic. Learn to correct yourself naturally. It shows awareness and control. And most importantly, stay calm. The examiner isn't trying to trap you. They're giving you the chance to speak your mind and show what you can do. And that's really the heart of the IELTS speaking test. It's not just about English. It's about how you, personally, use English to express who you are. Every answer you give is a chance to share your ideas, your experiences, and your personality. That's what makes this part of the test so powerful. So as you prepare, remember this. Speak with clarity, listen carefully, think calmly, and don't be afraid to show your voice. You've already come so far. You're more capable than you think, and this is your moment to prove it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to share it with others who are on the same journey. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, the IELTS speaking test is just a conversation, and you've got something worth saying. Good luck, you've got this.